Colibri are as striking as they are small. And although they're record breakers of all kinds, from the speed of their wings to their metabolisms or the stunning rate at which their hearts beat, these diminutive inhabitants of the Andes are most significant for their extraordinary relationship with dozens of Andean plant species and the role they play in their pollination. They hover and hum tirelessly around hanging flowers, visiting them one by one, fertilizing them as they go. Few hunters live in these damp, foggy woodlands. Colibri are so fast they have few enemies, but when building their nests, they're at their most vulnerable. The western mountain, or western dwarf coati, hairy, small and restless, is one of the few exclusive predators of the cloud forests of the northern Andes. The Andean coati is very small, but is protected from the inclement conditions of these enigmatic forests by its dense fur. The coati is constantly on the move, taking advantage of every resource that the cloud forest offers. In the furthest flung corners of the forest, its sensitive snout helps it to sniff out and detect all kinds of small animals that might offer it sustenance. Its inquisitive nose checks everything in its path. The coati even explores up in the trees and branches, and eventually its determination leads it to a nest. Today's breakfast includes scrambled eggs.